What's up, Theta Network holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another update of Theta Network. What's the current price of Theta? What's the price change occurring in the Theta? In this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. In this time, if you look the latest price of Theta Network, so the currently price is 8.73 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of Theta. On the other side, if you look the price changes of the Theta Network, so at this time the price changes is completely going wrong. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend, the whole changes occur and the Theta Network is going wrong. So you know what, my friends, the people are very confused, people are very worried about that what should we do in this critical situation. But you know what, my friends, the selling, a lot of people understand that selling is the best solution of this problem. But no, my friends, selling is not a solution. If you sell on this price Theta Network, so you're completely in the loss, my friends. You're completely in the loss if you sell on this price. On the other side, if you hold, so there is a possibility so the price will pump and you will get profit from a Theta Network, my friends. So I prefer holding on selling, my friends. Anyways, you can see here the last 1 hour, last 1 day, the whole chain is occurring. Theta Network is going wrong, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of Theta Network. Oh my god, absolutely. From yesterday, the price of Theta Network quick falls occur. And you know what, my friends, after a quick falls, there is a lot of possibilities, there is a lot of chances to the price will take a pump after a quick falls. So my friends, my prediction about Theta Network at this time is going positive, and personally I believe that they will take a pump in the next hours. In the coming soon few hours, there is a possibilities, there is a chances to the price will take a pump. This is my prediction about Theta Network. What do you think about that? As you think that there is a possibility the price will pump in the future or not? Tell me in the comment box, my friends. I want to talk with you. There is a possibility to the price of Theta Network will pump in the future or not. I know, my friends, you know what, my prediction, my that's my belief that Theta Network will take a huge pump in this month. In the June, the pump is necessary for a Theta Network. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Theta Network? Please tell me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Thanks for watching this video.